some?
We think it's look.
What's that?
Whoa. This is a big one.
Wow, did Santy bring you that?
Yeah. Look at all my clothes I can make this. And I'm with Lucy. And she wants to decide. Ooh, look at all my presents. Can I open this?
Sure, sweetie.
You open this, please. The Santa gave me all these presents.
He sure did, sweetie. You must have been a good girl.
This got me a lot of presents. Will you open this? Will you open this for me, Dad?
You want my help?
Yes, Daddy, I need your help. To see what's inside. We have opened
Is
it.
this present for you?
Yeah,
It is.
it's for you too.
It's for me, too. It says, to Nora, love Mooty, Aunt Canny, Aunt KK, Uncle Mark, and Abby Dog. Wow.
Is this my present?
It's your present. There you go.
Yeah. Wow, look at my present.
What is it?
Wow. Look at this.
Oh. Look at that.
Let's open it and see if I can find. Look.
Oh, look at that, sweetie.
What's that? What is that? What is that?
I think it's a stuffed animal.
Wow.
Oh, wow, look, it looks like an owl.
Yeah,
It is an owl? Oh, wow. Neat. Oh, it's so nice. What does owl say? What does an owl
Ooh, ooh.
say? Yes.
Okay. This one. Eat.
Whoa.
What is this one?
Oh, this one's to Mommy and Daddy and Nora. Merry Christmas. We all miss you. Mooty, Canny, Aunt KK, and Uncle Mark.
Let's open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me start it over here. Oh, what is it? Ooh. Wow, wowie kazowie.
Look.
You know what that is? It's an ABC game.
Let's play.
It says ABC game. That's going to be so much fun.
Let's open it.
You wanna-
Yes.
Okay. Okay.